Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is "Fleeing Suspect Takes Herself Out Running into a Pole."
On November 10th, 2023, officers responded to a call regarding a woman suspected of shoplifting.
You looking for her?
Yeah.
She just went to Zoomies. We're both law enforcement too. I don't know what she's doing.
10-4 check. Call for it. Copy. Come here. Don't buck. Over there.
Wow.
Come here.
Looks like
Oh boy, I don't know why they take off running. You ain't going nowhere. Yo, boy. Yo, boy. Nah, boy. Nah, boy. Nah, boy. Nah, boy. Yo, I ain't think it was gonna happen like that. Nah.
Over there.
wow.
Come here.
Looks like
She's a runner. She's a track star. She ain't gonna run away when they get hard. Oh yeah. What an idiot.
Wait, my phone. Hang on. Wait, I saw my teeth.
Okay, put it behind you. Behind. All right, stop resisting. You got 3 of us here. All right. Good.
All right.
Wait, put my teeth.
Here. All right. Hey, I'm taking this out of her hand because it keeps ringing.
Shouldn't have ran, huh?
Let
I need this one
let
for
go.
my mom.
Nope, we're not doing that. All right. I will bend this back if we have to.
My
all right,
mom.
here we go. Hang on to that because I don't want her to. Okay.
What'd she drop?
Teeth, meal, please.
I didn't see her drop. Oh,
Wait, let me see that. My mom, I need to call my mom, please.
Absolutely.
Please don't take me. Where you going? I didn't do nothing, ma'am. I just was trying to contact to see what's going on.
You ain't do nothing, but you ran.
I called the police myself just now.
Did you?
Yes, sir.
She bleeding? Oh yeah.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I thought y'all was trying to complain me for what I just did. I thought I just got off the phone with them, and I told them that I didn't do anything. Sir, can you please answer for ma'am? Can you please answer for me? Sir?
Boy, she can't even talk straight, bruh. Inside of her mouth, I think is bleeding. Like, yeah, I think about it. Like, yeah, boy, she ran and hit the pole, knocked the coins out of her. You hear me? Ding! Yo, boy, oh my God. To run full speed like that, like, boy, that pole ain't moving, boy.
Please.
What? We're gonna have a long time to talk.
I don't try to talk because I was trying to verify myself with the police. So that's
Look,
why
she
I
can't
thought when
even
you ran
talk.
after me, I thought that y'all was trying to blame me for what's going on, and I didn't do anything.
I got you.
That's what I'm saying. Can I please call the police, sir? Please, sir, please. Hey, step down, watch it.
Let's get this off.
I don't mind getting it out. Can you please call her, please? I just brushed my mouth.
Yeah, that was like the spill you took.
Back, go up. All the way. This ain't gonna go very well. It's not gonna go well if you don't work with me. I don't want you to back up. Back up. Sure, she on my leg. It hurts me.
I appreciate your help.
Anything?
Nope, you
Okay.
did. Thank you.
Sure.
Yes.
I'm talking to you, sir.
I'm listening.
He should have got her name and her contact information just in case he needed anything. That would be the only thing that I would see, you know. He didn't get none of her information. So when they run this body cam back or whatever, Sarge or the lieutenant, or watch commander, or whoever gonna look at the body cam footage and be like, who was that? Like, she locked her in the back seat or whatever and got her situated. Like, who is that? You didn't even go back and make sure she was, you know, seat buckled or anything. Like, so you ain't even got that person contact, bruh.
Got off the phone with them. I called to verify it. What was going on? So I'm trying to figure out why was you running after me? That's why I didn't understand.
I didn't really run after you.
Huh?
I didn't really run after you.
You did. You said you was looking for me racially. That's what I'm trying to tell to you, sir.
Hi, Kristen. This is Officer Khan with the Daytona Beach Police Department. Did you call about some girl from the Dunkin' Donuts? All right, we have a girl over here. I need someone to ID her. You're saying no one can come identify her?
Somebody else
All right.
is calling it in
I appreciate it.
and it turns
Oh, no
physical,
problem.
male hitter in
No
the
problem.
head,
That's what we do.
is beating up their roommate.
So what's going on?
Oh, more phone calls. More phone calls, Jemiah.
What phone call?
More phone calls. That's the criminal justice system. It's all about more phone calls. So they don't want to come ID because it's store policy not to do IDs. I could take this girl for RA and then sit at the horse bowl with her or cut her loose. So RA it is. Bye. I have great news and less than great news. The good news is the business about the Coach store is straightened out for now, and you're not in trouble for that.
It's bad news.
The bad news is you're going to jail for RA.
What's that?
It's what they call when the cops are trying to talk to you and they have a reason to contact you.
I don't want to get violated for that, though.
You shouldn't have taken off running.
But I didn't
Resisting
understand
arrest.
what was going on.
Honestly, they should just let her go.
Sir,
Come on out of there.
Running into the pole was bad enough.
She is going to search you.
what? They had me running from him, and I didn't even do what they said that I did. That's what's so crazy.
Can you turn around and face the car for me?
Please.
Face the car for me, please. Hands. Right, have a seat for me.
She runs into a metal pole, blows out her tooth is gone, and knocks herself out just for like a second or two. And had she just stopped and talked to me, the girl didn't want to come do an ID, so she would have been cut loose. So there's no IDs at the Coach store. If you've got a girl over here or a guy, hey, come look, ID this guy. Nope, corporate policy.
So now you got just resisting arrest?
Just a little, another VOP, a felony.
Oh yeah. Yep.
She doesn't like that.
Hello. Who's filing a complaint? How can I help you?
Yesterday, my cousin was at work. She on the phone, but she can't talk like that. She can't really talk, and her neck is messed up.
Okay, so
She can explain to you exactly what happened.
He approached me. He was parked over there by Under Armour. He approached me and said that I was being detained. And I asked him why was I being detained, and he was telling me that it was because of ongoing investigation. So I told him I already had called to verify myself. So I told him I don't have to speak to you. I walked out. So as the me in the midst of walking, I walked off really fast. He was coming behind me. But I had him be not paying me trying to pay attention to him and me walking. I almost hit a pole. Well, instead of me hitting the pole, I tripped and fell. And when I fell, he slammed me on the ground and detained me. But when he slammed me, I snapped it, bust my whole mouth open.
Why she lying? Come on, bro. Like, they don't got body cams. Are you serious, bro? You tripped and fell? What? What? Are you serious? Oh my God. You can't make this shit up, bro. Anything to try and get a lawsuit, bro. They gonna make up anything to try and get a lawsuit. This is ridiculous.
He came out my mouth.
And
Okay.
he body slammed you? Come on.
The pictures.
well, fill out that.
Fill out this.
Yeah, if that's what you're gonna file a formal complaint. And I'll give it to his day shift lieutenant, because I'm the night shift lieutenant. And then either they'll call you or someone from Internal Affairs will call you.
Okay.
All right?
I'm finished filling it out. Then.
Okay. Okay. So I went in the back to look at the Axon cameras because we all wear body cameras. So it looks like when he got to the Dunkin' Donuts, she had left. So as he was walking around the outlet, there were some customers. There was actually some off-duty police officers. No, they don't work for us, just random off-duty. It was like, are you looking for somebody? And he said, yes. They told him what store she went in. She was hiding behind a display. So she came from behind the display. He was like, hey, don't run. Where are you going? You know, don't run. She takes off running. When she takes off running, she's looking back at him and she runs into a pole. That's what knocks her teeth out. And then she runs into the pole, she falls, she gets up, she grabs her phone, and that's when he handcuffs her. So he never throws her to the ground.
Did he stamp her or anything?
No, when she actually got up, when she hit the pole, she got up. And then that's when he grabbed her and just handcuffed her standing. He never put her back on the ground. Okay?
You know, and honestly, it just looks bad. You know what I mean? Because you want to file a complaint and you want to do all of this. And I'm sure those people who came down to do the complaint don't really know what happened or whatever. But I'm so glad the watch commander at the or whatever, the night shift lieutenant, watch commander, whatever, was there and actually reviewed the footage before they left. Because you're making a complaint and you got a completely fabricated story on what happened just because you got injured. Nobody ain't tell your dumb ass to go running into that goddamn pole.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.